Hey guys, I had another question from someone that wanted to know why aren't I losing weight when I'm taking exogenous ketones? Well, that's because exogenous ketones could actually slow down your weight loss. Let me explain. So ketosis is a condition where the body is turning your fat into ketones, which is an alternative fuel. And there's two ways that you can have ketones in the urine. One is by taking ketones. Two is by getting your body into ketosis, so you burn your fat, and then it turns into ketones, okay? And that means you'd have to do the diet part. So when you have ketones in the urine, you can call it ketosis, but it absolutely does not mean that your body is burning fat, which is turning into those ketones. So let me just get into the simplicity of this, okay? It's really simple. Can ketones help you get into ketosis? Yes. Can ketones, taking them, help you lose weight? No, because it bypasses your own body's ability to make your own ketones. And when you're taking external ketones, your body is going to be using those as fuel instead of your own ketones. So you really need to just do the diet, cut the carbs low, get into ketosis from you causing that, and then lose the weight. Thanks for watching. Hey guys, I had a quick question. I'm thinking about doing a keto summit in Washington, D.C. this fall. And the reason I want to do it in the fall, that's my favorite time of the year where the leaves are falling. It's going to be gorgeous in Washington, D.C. And I wanted to know if you would be interested in coming out. So this way I have a chance to meet you and cover the entire subject of keto and intermittent fasting. So I haven't formulated all the details yet, but I just wanted to find out if you would be interested. I put a link down below. Let me know.